I'm back and I'm still waiting for the next court date for the case of Adam. I have been researching historic cases while I wait between court dates. The current case is Adam. He is 18 years old from Maitland and has 13 charges of the Bushfire Offence. I found another case with similar circumstances. Big disclaimer here, they might be similar, but it doesn't mean the legal proceedings will be exactly the same. I'm saying there could be different evidence, different legal arguments, and different sentencing considerations. So I'm looking at this case not to predict the outcome in Adam's case, rather than to have some history to manage my expectations of what might happen. No one really explains what happens next. So my question is, what happened in a similar case? Firstly, my sources are the newspapers. This case started in November 2020 when an 18-year-old man was arrested in the Tweed region of New South Wales. I will call him Adrian, not his real name. He is the same age as Adam from Maitland at the time of the arrest. It is reported that Adrian was a volunteer firefighter, like Adam, who responded to the bushfire he lit, which is also the same as Adam. The brigade he was in was also named in the media stories, same as Adam. It is reported that Adrian called 000 to report the fire that he lit. There is no information that Adam did that. Adrian was charged with 10 counts of intentionally cause fire and be reckless as to its spread, while Adam, our current case, has been charged with 13 counts. Adrian lit the fires over a period of a couple of weeks, while it is alleged that Adam did this over about a 2-month period. Adrian, like Adam, was initially refused bail. Adrian spent 2 months and 9 days in custody before being granted bail. He spent Christmas in jail, while Adam has only spent 7 days. Adrian pled guilty at the first available opportunity. We can't compare here as Adam has not been required to enter a plea yet. It's reported that Adrian participated in restorative justice. It's run by the New South Wales Department of Communities and Justice. It's voluntary. My understanding is that the process facilitates a person harmed by the offence an opportunity to ask questions and explain how the offence affected their lives, while the person responsible for the offence answers questions and faces the impact of their offence and/or offers an apology. We don't know if Adam will do something like this. It's too early at this stage. Why did he do it? For Adrian, some of the issues reported were low intellectual ability, bullying as a child, and wanting to belong to a group. Adrian was sentenced in June 2022. That's 20 months from arrest to sentencing. From other cases I have researched, I would expect Adam's case to go for 1.5 to 2.5 years, depending on how he pleads. So what was Adrian's sentence? It was 3 years imprisonment to be served in the community as an intensive correction order that was backdated given his time in custody, plus 2 community correction orders and 400 hours of community service, plus a requirement to engage in treatment. This doesn't mean Adam will get the same. There are so many factors in play. Others have done actual prison for less counts. Only time will tell. Looking back at previous cases, I think helps manage expectations. This isn't the first time there's been a bushfire case.